everybody, we're here at the children's school. We're going to play school for just a second, and we're not going to sing songs. We're going to stay in our seats. We're going to behave ourselves, and we're going to try to pay attention the best we can, even though your real teacher who sits in front of you sits on her ass and plays a weird video that confuses you. This is really interesting, and I really can't wait to tell you all about it. So we're going to talk about shapes. The first shape we want to take a look at is triangle. There's 3 sides to a triangle, hence the word tri-angle. T-R-I means 3. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. And this is a square. A square has 4 sides of equal length. Although Miss Cassie might not have made the sides quite equal because I don't have a ruler. This is also called a box. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next one we're going to look at is a circle. This is a round, no corners. Circle. Continuous movement. Never stops. So if you were to run around in a circle, you'd be going around and around and around and around. Everybody stand up and try running around in a circle. Or walk, let's walk. Let's walk around in a circle. Good job. All right, everybody sit back down. We have an exercise I'm going to do at the end. And then the next shape we're going to look at is a rectangle. A rectangle has 2 longer sides and then 2 shorter sides. And it also has 4 sides. Can anyone tell me what shape this kind of looks like? Yes, it looks like a square, but see how the sides are longer? That's called a rectangle. This is actually called geometry, so this is really smart stuff. What else shape? Oh, what other shape we're going to look at is a star. Miss Cassie's star looks kind of goofy, doesn't it? Oops. That's my star. Let me show you another way to do a star. 1, 2, 3. So when you see that on your paper, that's good. That's a good thing. That's a star. Okay. It'll be interesting when you get older, kids, because when you get older, you're going to learn a lot of other shapes, such as pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 sides. Does it have 6 sides? I think it has 6 sides. I think it has 6 sides. I can't remember. I know it has 5 sides. How do you have 5 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does it look like a pentagon? I don't know. I'll have to look that up. I haven't looked at this stuff in a long time. Anybody else want to look it up on their phone? And then I want you to come to the board and I want you to draw it for me. Excellent. Actually, I should probably look it up. Okay, I was correct. Let's see. There it is. Pentagon. Yay. Okay, so there we go. We got pentagon. And then we want to show you what a rhomboid is. So this is a pentagon. Penta means 5. Then we got a rhomboid, which is basically what? Well, let me do this again. Does it look like something else on the page? You can't see it? It kind of looks like these two. The difference is the angle of the way the rhomboid leans to the right. So it's the lean. And later on, when you get older, you'll note that the rhomboid is, there's angles of your squares and your rhomboid. See the angle? That's some intense thinking, isn't it? But that's because you're smarter than what they think you are. So you're actually learning versus singing a song. We can sing the song eventually. I don't know if we want to sing it. The song's really aggravating because it really just makes and then you're all anxious at school. So what I did in the room is I've drawn these shapes on the floor with tape. And I want everyone to, they're big, I drew them quite large. And what we're going to do is we're going to walk from corner to corner to corner to corner. And we're going to do it one by one by one. And then I want you to have a seat back in your seat. And while you're waiting for your turn, I'm going to give the rest of you worksheets to work on. It'll be fun. It's coloring. And Miss Cassie is going to be over here with the shapes, watching, making sure you are following good directions. If you have any questions, you can ask me. And if I don't know the answer, I'll look it up. Because you are way too smart. I don't know how you got to be so smart. Let's make sure we stay humble, though. Thank you. Okay. So everybody has crayons. Everybody has their worksheets. We've got our teacher's assistant, Gary, walking around, making sure everyone's doing their job. And we'll start with Rustin is going to walk the first shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget the last one. Awesome. Next. Now, Ray, you come up and you walk on the pentagon, and Rustin's going to walk on the triangle. 1. Great job. Next. Good job, Ray. Let's move on to the next one. Triangle, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's 4 sides, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4. We miscounted, but that's okay. We learned it. We had to do it again. We got lost in translation. Let's come back to Earth. And now next we're going to look at our star. It's a shape. Pointy ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you want to walk on the star? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Isn't that interesting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? And then now we're going to walk our rectangle. Ray, keep going. I'm watching you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one you're going to walk around at least 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there we go. This is our lesson on shapes. And we're going to do this till everybody gets their turn. And if you finish your work early, what are you going to do? You're just going to be patient and you're going to wait for everyone, or you can watch the person doing their part until it's your turn. And then we're going to go outside for recess to burn off some energy. And then it's nap time and snack time. And bathroom breaks and stuff. So most of your day is babysitting and making sure they're learning structured living